Good day, everyone. I'm going to simply walk you through a process of doing SEO optimization for a simple website. For your simple website, it said its search engines uses SEO to crawl your website to pick informations and the rest of them. Just like you have H1 tag to identify to tell the browser this is the title of your element, the anchor tag to tell the browser that this is a link on your page, img, to show that this is an image on your page. So the same way search engines has a way of crawling data and identifying some key data on your website, like keywords, certain topics, so that when people are searching for that topic, it could easily present them, okay, this is the website that holds that kind of information you're looking for. So I'm going to use metatags.io. It's a very good site. I find it very useful in generating SEO for your website. It will help you guide you through the process. So let's say I have a site like okay, a simple website, GitHub website dot github.io. Although I had done something for it before, but I'm going to show you. So here you put the title of your website. You're going to put the title and you put a description for the website, and it shows you how it will appear here on. So you select LinkedIn, Pinterest, Slack, and you also going to upload an image. Maybe you put it to a cloud CDN website or something, or it can pick images from your host or anyone. So you have it. If it's based on Slack, this is how it will appear. On Pinterest, this is how it will appear. On LinkedIn, it will appear like this. On Twitter, it will appear like this. On Facebook, it will appear like this. On Google search, it will come up like this. So you want to upload your image, and the recommended image size is this 1200 by 628. So after that, you click the generate meta tag. So you should have this a whole lot of information. Copy, and you take that to your head tag. Now I have some few more informations that I added to mine. So stuff like keywords, description, the title of your page, meta tags. Now you also add the description to your page. You have some keywords, like keywords people would be entering to search for the page. You have another one called robots. You want robots search engine crawlers to index your website as well as follow them. English, you can set the language, revisit how many times do these robots come back to your site to check if there is a change in site. This is purely optional. You can decide to take it away. Author, you can also include this. This is for Facebook and Twitter mostly. LinkedIn and the rest of them pick from this other one. So you have the image. I use Cloudinary to upload my image and put, so it could render the content wherever the person are. So that's pretty much it. So to SEO optimization, it's a simple way. For WordPress is a lot more complicated because it's dynamically generating the page for each post for different stuff like that. So you have to use maybe some sort of plugins to fit in the SEOs for different pages as you are developing the page for each of them. So I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand what I meant, what I've showed you. You should be able to duplicate your own code. This is basically what SEO is all about. It could be more complex if you go into the detail part, mostly when you're doing a dynamic site with different pages. But if it's a simple static one page website and the rest, this is pretty much okay. And if you want to test it and make sure it's working properly, is when you paste that URL somewhere and see how it appears, if it renders the content that you had put in there. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click the like button. Thank you, and subscribe.